Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a power strip made by Anker. Let's go ahead and get started. Now you can get this from Amazon. It's the Anker power strip with USB-C, delivery travel power strip, 30-watt power port, strip PD, 2 mini with 2 outlets and 3 USB, 18-watt USB, 5 feet cord, easy to travel with, portable. Now you do have a discount there, $4. Now when I got this on the lightning deal, so it was a lot cheaper than this, but we're gonna see how it works, all right? I'll put the link in the description for you if you wanna get it. Okay, so here's the box right here, Anker, charge fast, live more. All right, let's go ahead and take this out of the box. Okay, so you get your happy card right there, Anker power strip. It's a little user guide, give you more information about the device now. A little bit bigger than I thought it was going to be. Oh, nice heavy duty cord. Look at that. Okay, so nice thick cord there. Should be pretty durable. So here's the actual charger itself. Intelligent charging, USB-C, that's great. And you got the fast charging right here as well too. You can plug in a cord there. You can plug something in right there. So that's pretty nice. I like this. Now, as you can see, it's pretty compact. So it's easy to fit in one hand, easy to carry. It's a little bit, actually it's not that heavy, but the cord is heavy duty, man. So it's got a little Anker emblem right there. Got your 3-prong right there. So that's good. It's gonna be nice to carry, to have the strip like this available. That's so small and portable, not a long strip like you normally get, but this one hand you can fit in your hand right there. That's gonna be nice. All right, so as you can see, when you plug it in, it does get power. It has a power light right there to let you know it's charged. It's working. A little blue light there, if you can see that. Okay, now each one of these ports, the USB-A ports, 2.4 amps. This is 2.4 amps. This at 5 volt, the USB-C port is 3 amps right there. So that's pretty powerful, and they charge fast anyway. So but everything works really nice with this, nice and compact, and it feels good quality build as well. So one of the things you got to pay attention to when you're using this, you're going to make sure you have a plug with a ground connection there. So if you don't have that, you're not going to be able to use this, or you might need to use an adapter. If you got any questions, hit me in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ.